Ashley at Tea Garden Paper Crafts, and I'm here for another design team project flip through. This one is Ivy made using the Ivy Fae kit by It's a Crafty Life by Kim. This is my first design team project for her, and I am so super happy with how this turned out. My challenge for myself for July was to try and make covers different than what I normally do, because I realized when I was at a vendor show that a lot of my journals looked exactly the same. And that's not a bad thing to have a particular style, but I wanted to have other options. So this one, the signatures are actually tied in, and it has a soft spine. And for the cover, I did this really cool, I wanted it to kind of be like a tunnel journal, but something a little bit different, because usually those, like, you can see the back image straight through. So I wanted this to be a little bit different than that. And I am pretty happy with how this turned out to reveal this at the end. I kind of wanted it to be like you were journeying through the ivy forest to find the fairy village. So that was my idea with this. So there's like the different doors and the gates that you travel through. They're all overgrown. And the steps you walk up to finally get there. So I'm really happy with how that turned out. So that's the cover. And then it opens up here. And this is a page marker. So I wanted, instead of doing like a pullover one, like a bookmark style one, I decided to try doing something a little different. So this is attached to the journal and is a nice placeholder here. This journal was actually made for a friend of mine initially, but they have decided that they no longer want it. So it will be available for sale in my store. But when they originally wanted it, they wanted it to be something that they could do a lot of writing in. So there's a lot of empty space in this journal to write. There's spaces to tuck all kinds of things. So I'm really, really happy. There's some homemade paper that I made in here. I'm very, very happy with the way it turned out. There's a lot of places to tuck goodies in and really use this as like a memory keeper or a true journal, like a true writing journal. And this kit really lent itself well to the writing style. And by making the spine a soft spine, what's nice is that the journal pretty much opens flat, almost entirely flat to, so if you move that out of the way here, this opens pretty much flat to make it easier to write on. So I'm really, really happy with how this one turned out. I don't know that I'd make a journal like this again, because I like my journals to have a little more substance. Like, I like them to be a little thicker, sturdier, and I like to over-decorate my journals, to be honest. But this one was a really fun challenge to make it so that there's a lot more space in it and room for someone else to customize it. Really, really happy. And this kit is just absolutely gorgeous. So like, say my spot was like here. I could tuck this here and close it up, and then my spot is held for me. So I'm really, really happy with how this one turned out. I'm just sad that my friend doesn't want to take it anymore, but that's okay, because now it can be someone else's. So I hope you enjoyed this, found some inspiration in the way that I created my design team project using Ivy Fae from It's a Crafty Life by Kim. I'll have everything linked in the description so you can pick up this kit for yourself and many, many others. Everything she does is fantastic. So I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys!